Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holder? It's a very good time, my brother, for Shiba Inu holder. If some holder tell me to Shiba Inu is what fails down completely, we need to sell it. We need, my brothers, to sell it to be safe from loss. So I think you are completely going to be wrong and doing very huge mistake. Absolutely, this is very bad decision, my brothers, to you starting selling. Definitely, what expert says, what holder said, my friend, and what the master says, my brothers, about my friends Shiba coin, Shiba Inu, to what we need, my brothers, to follow now. So in this time, absolutely, my brother, Shiba Inu is going to be very badly fails down, but definitely, my friend, in this time, my friend, you can see here the chain occur. Let's check out the last 24 hour. You can see, my brother, chain occur in last 7 days is going to be negative now, but my friend, you can see here in the same time, my friend, it's good time, but definitely, my friend, after a short fail, my friend, every coin will very badly fails down. So therefore, my brother, we need to talk about this, my friend, especially after my friend's prediction video. So this time, absolutely, my friend, we need to predicate this coin to in upcoming time. Can there is a chance so they will move upward or not? My brother, there is a lot of chances so they will move upward now, but definitely, my friend, absolutely, this time you can see here Shiba Inu short time investor, they are starting selling, so they will fail us down. So please try to understand, this is reality, my brother. I cannot give you a fake advice, fake, my friends, news now, fakes of that. So absolutely, my brother, short time investor, they are starting selling, so definitely they will get a profit. But absolutely, my friend, it's impossible now, my brothers, to all short-term investors, they are starting selling and they will dumps down, and absolutely it's impossible to hold or stop selling and they will move upward now. So please, this is just only a game now, so hope you understand it now, my brother. The good time is coming soon, but Shiba Inu holders, we need to hold it, and absolutely if you hold, so I hope they will move upward now. Thanks for watching, Shiba Inu holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.